Hi everyone, welcome back to Couponing with Isa, here to show you my mini Aldi haul, and it is an amazing haul. If you guys are in need of bath tissue or toilet paper as we call it, run to Aldi's. The White Cloud 3-ply Ultra is on sale for $1.99. My store was fully stocked for $1.99. Again, the White Cloud Ultra 3-ply, 3 layers, $1.99, no limit, so of course we stocked up. I bought a total of 8 packages, 12 packs each. And they had the 10 packs of the Welby face mask for 99 cents. Again, no limit. I only went to Aldi's to get a container of the heavy whipping cream and the little spinach. We're going to do the Tuscan chicken tonight. That has been a staple at our family. We got that recipe down below. You have to look it up. It's from Keeping Up with Christy. She got us hooked on that. You can use penne pasta. That's what she uses, but we're using the small shelves today. I'm using what we have in the pantry. But again, amazing deals at Aldi's. White Cloud Ultra 3-ply paper toilet or toilet paper bath tissues on sale for $1.99. So here you're going to see the first transaction because I did end up doing 3. So the heavy whipping cream, if I can speak today, the flat leaf spinach, and the 4 masks. That's what I grabbed first because I had not seen the bath tissue. And then that was $7. And then when I seen the pallet being put up, that's when I went ahead and got the 4 paper toilets and the 4 masks again. That was $11.92. And then went back for the other 4 paper toilet for $7.96. So amazing deals. And again, we're a family of 4, and I needed to stock up on these items. And again, you know, they are suggesting that you put 2 of these on. We're currently using the N95 because when you go to the doctors, that's what they're giving you, which is amazing. They give you 1 new one and then 1 to use while you're there. And again, those you can disinfect with Lysol, let them out to dry, and reuse because the N95 masks are very expensive and hard to find. So this is all that I have for you. I want to give a big shout out to Mr. Daniel McCall. He has I'm going to say is a day-to-day life channel. And he also gives you a preview on certain music CDs. So welcome, Mr. Daniel McCall. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Welcome to Couponing with Isa. This is all that I have for you today. Tomorrow, hopefully, I will have a ShopRite mini haul. They have the freezer shop from home deals going on and a couple other deals. So I'll be doing that and maybe a Sam's Club haul. So this is all. Thank you all for your love and your support. Thank you for all your comments, all your questions. Remember, it's Couponing with Isa. Please hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Any questions or information down below, please. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. God bless.